Hello there, my name is Emin, EMCsoft, and in this video we're going to continue our Bitrix administration course and we will discuss product catalogs. So we're not going to discuss inventory management and online shops, it's just regular products which you can add to leads, deals, invoices and orders. Okay, let's go. Right, to work with products, you need to go to the CRM, product catalog, and here you will see a list of sections and list of products. So to create section, you can click here and click section and just put a name here, test 2, and it will be created. All right, and also inside of a section you can create another section, subsection, right? And also inside of a section you can create product or service. Actually, service and products is the same thing. The only difference is that in the service you have no remaining balance or remaining items which is you got left in your store, right? So in that case we'll create a product. Inside of a product in left we have product card. It's very similar logic as in leads, which we discussed previously. And here you can use customer fields already exist here, or you can create a new one. Just create a field and you will have the same type of fields like string, leads, date, time, Google map address, money, yes, no, etc. Right? For example, if you create a list one, you can put something here, and then you can create, list items. Okay. So I will delete this, because I don't need that anymore. Okay. I'm not able to delete it here. To delete, I need to go here. So I can go to duplicate, and I need to go CRM and click more settings and CRM settings. And here I need to go to the product properties. In the product properties, I can select items I want to delete. So for example, test list and test will be deleted. Okay, if I'm going back, okay, you see that it's deleted. So I'll put some product name, test 1, and some description. So the rest fields will remain the same. And also you can create a SKU of the item of the product. Means is that variation of the product. Okay, for that you can create a SKU properties by clicking here, and you can create list and dictionary. So the difference is only that in dictionary you can add a picture, in list no. Okay, so for example, click dictionary, so I can add some picture, and it will be test 1. Another picture, right? And here I will put main SKU. Why it's main? It's because the rest variables which you will create on the product will be connected to this main list. Okay, I will show you what I mean. So for example, it will be SKU3, and for example it will be test1 variable, and I will select SKU1, right? And then I will going to create another SKU. So I'll put here test1 too. So I will add another SKU. It will be, I will give another variable name test2. Okay, so it's test1 should be here, and test2 should be here. And I select the second one, and I'm creating this. And then I'm creating a new one. It will be test3, then SKU3, and save. Right, so if I will go to the leads, and inside the lead I will add some product. So I'm going to section test1 and selecting product recently created, which is test1. So test1 and section test1. Okay, and I see variables. This one, and this one. Okay, now Also, I can add another variables for that particular product, but all these variables will be connected to this main SKU. Okay, so I will create a new list. It will be like list item. Okay, it will be list 1, list 2, list 3. Okay, now I will set with item test 1, I will set list 1 and list 2 and list 3. Okay, then I'm going back to the leads, and what I should do, refreshing, go to products, and I see that I can select on this, on the main one. When I select what was SKU1, is list 1 selected, the same SKU2 and SKU3. I want to add some another property, but it's not a dictionary list. I can add it in that section. So we need to go to the site and stores, go to more, settings, commercial catalog, and SKU properties. And in SKU properties I can create any item I want, the same as logic as in leads, for example. So it could be selected string, number, file, element, link to sections, dictionary, etc. money. So for example, it will be file. Okay, in our case it will be just a picture. So it will be like photo. Okay, or picture. And if I'm going to more, so it will be selected by filter, right, and features, save. Okay, and I'm going back to product catalog, refresh. So it should be available here. It's not available. If it's not available, you should click in the settings button and find picture, this one. Okay, drop your file here and download beautiful lady picture, and another, this one. Okay, save. Okay, let's see what happened here inside the bleed. Yes, also I forget to mention that these pictures, which is here, you're not able to see here, but you're able to see here. So to see inside of a product, you need to click on the settings button and select where is it? Picture. Okay, and yes, apply. If you go to the properties, you can create, for example, list and put like name like test list. Save it and go to the list values and put values 1, 5, and go to the more. So you show product in catalog filters means that you can filter inside of a product list. You can ignore this, this, and this, and this because it's related to the online store, and this one as well. But you can select SKU, means that you want to see it here with the selection. Okay, save, and go to the product. To see that item, you need to click here, test list, and select. Test list 2 and 3. Okay, so we added items inside of the product, and now go back to the leads and see what happened. Go to products. Okay, so it's connected to the product because we selected this. So we need to go here and for example, for test list we click more and can select SKU. If we'll save it and check to see it, if we go to back to products, you'll see that's not available. So if I'm check it again, more, can select, save. here. So you will see that as well. But again, because we test list, we created as a first item, everything is connected to this. So first one, second one, and third one, and items is selected based on that list. Okay. And again, if you want to delete some of these items, you can do that only here. So again, if you go to sites and stores, more settings, commercial catalog, SKU properties, you can select and delete that item. Good. So if we go back, fresh, so that item not available anymore. Right. Also, you can connect to the product text value for a particular item. To set up a tax, you should to go for product. You should to go to settings, CRM settings. So CRM settings, and taxes, and you can create add tax. Yeah, before that, you should to create location, that you just click, and location created. But you already create location here, and here I just need to create tax type. Name will be 24, 22. Okay, save. Okay, it's 22. I will edit tax, and I need to put values. So rate 22. Exclude tax from the price. So locations which I mentioned should be already located here. Here you need to type your locations already added. For example, Lithuania, select, put here. Because for different locations you can have different taxes. Add. Right, so we add the 24 VAT tax rate, which is available here, and inside of a product you can show that tax rate and set up a rate. Oops, it's not, tax rate is not available here. Okay, use tax rate. So to include tax for the item, you need to go back to the taxes and go to the settings and select item dependent tax. Save. Okay, and then add VAT rate. Will be 22, rate 22, save. Right, and for example, I will add 10%. But in this crazy world, probably you will not able to find such tax rate for any country. Okay, you go to back to products, refresh, and go tax rate, and you can select. Oops. Okay, I need to go back to taxes, edit, activate. Activate. Right, go to back to product catalog, refresh again, and click. Okay, select tax rate for particular items. Okay, save, and then go to delete. Okay, so you'll see a picture, and you should to see here tax. No tax. Okay, click on these three dots, show tax, and you will see tax for that particular item. Okay. Okay. See, tax is changed a bit, depend on the main SKU you created. Okay, and the last thing which I want to discuss here is that permissions for the products. So you should click more, settings, advanced settings, access permissions, and here you can see a regular page for permissions, for leads, for deals, and here you can set up products catalog permissions, who able to see view purchase price, create product, who not able to do, edit, delete products, etc. So you got a lot of things here to choose. So once you will click it, you will understand how it is working. So how we can use products inside of a leads or deals. For example, you got lead, and during the leads process you can add product. So for that you need to go to the product section and select product which you added inside of the sections, go to the particular section and double click or one click and select, right? And you selected that particular product, right? You can save it. You can see the pictures. You can, inside of the lead, you can customize the view as well. You can see pictures or options which you pointed here. And yeah, also you can select tags, discounts, product images, and so on. And the thing is that when you go to, for example, for estimate or invoices, in deals it will be invoices, products copying from lead to deal to the invoices or estimates. So in leads we got estimates, we have no invoices, because by general understanding of Bitrix, lead is something like sandbox where you checking contacts, if that real contacts which you're able to sell or not. And that's why I have no invoices inside of the lead. You got all the estimates. But for example, in deals, if you go to the deals and if you go inside to the deal and go to the product, yeah, I forget to mention one important thing about products. So for example, when you got products inside of the lead, so you can create estimates. When you click estimate, so you need to put some data here and save it. So products will be copied to estimate. Okay, so when you this lead move to the deal stage, so by complete deal a lead, or just click here, so complete lead, generate a deal in pipeline general, save and save. So some workflows, and so inside of the deal you can see that products automatically copied to the deal. Okay, and the same way inside of the deal, if you click invoices and if you create invoice will be created with products same as inside of the deal. So for that particular case, this is a copy of the fields from leads, also from deals to invoices. Because for example, if you create custom fields inside of the deal, and when you create invoice from that particular deal, custom fields from deals automatically will be created inside of invoices as well. Okay, and if you go to the products, you can see that that product is already available here. Right, and the same for estimates for deals, so it's similar to leads. The same story for SPA, so you can, in SPA, you can use products as well. If you go to products, select, it's very similar, it's like you inside to be lead. Okay, that's it. Right, in fact, in Bitrix there is the main objects which you always should use. It's leads, deals, estimates, invoices, product catalog, and SPA, contact, and companies. Okay. Right, so this is not all about products. The rest things about products we will discuss inside of the inventory management and online store. So if you like that video, click like. If you have questions about that video, please ask. Put your questions in comments under that video. Thank you and bye-bye.